Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to be making Johnny Marzetti. So come on, let's get started. Okay guys, we got our pasta over here cooking. I'm using elbow macaroni. We got our skillet heating up. I'm going to add 1 pound of hamburger. And we're going to cook our hamburger until it's nice and brown and done. Now I have 1 onion that's already chopped. I'm going to add that to our hamburger. Going to salt and pepper to taste. Y'all know about 6 months ago when I gave Buddy a bath and he hit me in the mouth with his head and he knocked my tooth loose? Well, guess what? It fell out yesterday. So I'm not happy about it. So I got to find a dentist that I can go to and see what we can do to get rid of this yak in my teeth. So our pasta's done. So I'm going to go ahead and take out about a cup of the pasta water. And set it aside. And then I'm just going to go ahead and drain our pasta. Our hamburger's just about done. So to our pasta, we're going to add 1 jar of pasta sauce. I'm going to take some of this pasta water and pour it in my jar to rinse out my jar. Give that a stir. Now to this, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A teaspoon of onion powder. A teaspoon of oregano. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. It smells good. Now I'm going to add in 4 scoops I can't find the scooper. So I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of unflavored collagen protein powder. And that adds in another 18 grams of protein to this dish. And it dissolves and there's no grit, no nothing. But it just adds more protein, more collagen. Our hamburger's done. So now I'm just going to spoon it And I'm using a slotted spoon, so I leave most of the grease in the pan. And we're going to add our hamburger to our pasta and sauce. Set this back on this burner. Turn it on back on medium. Give this a stir. Now if you wanted, you could add some bell peppers to this. Right now I'm going to add in about a cup of mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella, and a half a cup of grated Parmesan. And we're going to give that a stir. This smells delicious. And all we're doing here is heating up the pasta sauce, melting the cheese, and then it'll be time to eat. You could serve this with a salad and garlic bread. This is hot. So now I'm going to just go ahead and dip it up. See that cheese pool? I only made about 8 ounces of pasta. If you want, you can make a whole pound. Use whatever kind of pasta you want. And there you have it, Johnny Marzetti. So let's give it a try. I'm hungry. I ain't ate today. And it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Had to go have a CAT scan done this morning and didn't have time to eat breakfast. So, I'm hungry. This is good. And you can't even tell that I put that protein powder in there. It is really good. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. This recipe will be in the description box. And remember, don't let anyone or anything steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.